Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at some Puma sneakers. These are really nice sneakers. These are women's Flexfocus Light Motion Cross Training sneakers. This is how they come in the box like you see here. Let's take a look at it and open it up and we'll see what's in the box. So this is how they come packaged, and they're very, very cool and very different. Let me just show you. We just got these in. Let me just get this box out of the way. You can see here, they're very different. What I like about these sneakers, they got a nice flex to them. So you can see the flex in the foot here. That's super important as well. That's really nice. And if you're a cross trainer, these are really nice and comfortable. They got the nice laces here. I like this extra support here on the lace side, the extra strength. So when you lace these up, you don't have any issues. That's important. I like the trim on this, and I like the little logo right here. I like the sides. You can see that, like that copper look right here, which is very, very different. I like that. Here's the back of the sole. Here's the other side again with that nice copper running through it. Again, these are really super comfortable. Also has a nice pull tab right here. You can pull and tighten these sneakers up easily when you put them on, which is like on the tongue. I like that. And they're really soft inside. They got a nice cushion inside. The arch is really good on this here. The arch inside of the sneakers done very well. And you have different sizes, of course, available. I just want to show you this is what they look like all around. Just give you a tour, because a lot of times you really can't see what the sneakers look like. My wife's a huge Puma fan, and these are the Puma Lite because they're lighter. They're a nice light sneaker. Nobody wants to run in a heavy sneaker, so that's really what that's all about. Good for cross training, running, jogging, whatever you're doing for your exercise, or just walking. It's a great walking sneaker, nice and light, nice quality, and again, with the little Puma right here, the logo on this, the front, the side. Let me show you the back. Again, they're branded here, Puma. You can see right there in the back. Here at the bottom of it, again, they got the branding on the back, on the bottom. Just an overall really nice quality sneaker. So I hope you enjoyed this quick review. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to follow and like this channel for more reviews and more information. Appreciate your time as always, and thanks for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this. Hope I brought you some value, and I hope I able to teach you a little bit about the Puma brand. We like Puma quite a bit. We've been using Puma for quite a while, and we absolutely love them. Thanks for watching.